forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problems based on lecture 1. Question number 1. 8 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 2 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in quiz graphically. So first, let number of boys and number of girls be x and y respectively. According to problem, this is my short form. According to problem, total students 8 means sum of x plus y is equal to 8. Equation number 1. And number of girls is 2 more than number of boys. So number of girls means y. So y minus x is equal to 2. Give equation number 2. We can also write equation 1 in this way. Y equal to 8 minus x. And this equation we can write y equal to x plus 2. Now take few points and draw the graph of both the equations. For equation 1, for equation 1, equation 1, x equal to 0, then value of y is 8, and when x equal to 8, 8 minus 8, y equal to 0. So we get 2 points, 0, 8 and 8, 0. For equation 2, x equal to 0, then corresponding value of y is 2, and when x equal to 1, corresponding value of y is 3. So we get 2 points, 0, 2 and 1, 3. Now locate these points on graph paper. This is the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at that side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way. Let us consider 1 centimeter is equal to 1 student. Now locate all the points 0, 8, 0 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So first point is 0, 8. Second point 8, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now join these 2 points with the help of scale. This is 8, 0. And this point is 0, 8. Now 0, 2. Where is 0, 2? This point 0, 2 and 1, 3. 1, 3 this point. And now join these 2 points. this point is 0 comma 2 and this point is 1 comma 3. Both lines intersect at that point. At that point, tell me coordinates of x and y. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So coordinate of this point is 3, 5. Means value of x is 3 and value of y is 5. So therefore x equal to 3 and y equal to 5 because both lines intersect at point 3, 5. So number of boys equal to 3 and number of girls equal to 5. Next problem. Draw the graphs of equations this and this. Determine the coordinates of vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis. Also shade the triangular region. So first draw graph of both the lines. First line x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. We can write x plus 1 equal to y. To draw graph of any line, we need minimum 2 points. So take 2 points on this line. Put x equal to 0, so corresponding value of y is 1 and put x equal to 1, then corresponding value of y is 2. Now second line, 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. I'll now find two values. Now first put x equal to 0. 3 into 0, 0. So first term is 0. First term is 0. So we get only 2y equal to 12. So y equal to 6. Now put y equal to 0. So this term is 0. 3x equal to 12. So x equal to 12 upon 3, 4. So we get 2 points, 0, 6 and 4, 0. Now draw the lines. First 0, 1. This is 0, 1. And next point is 1, 2. 1, 2, this point. Join these 2 points. Now draw another line. 0, 6 and 4, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And second point 4, 0. 1, 2, 3 or 4. Now join again these 2 points. Now give the name. This point is 0, 1. This point is 1, 2. This point is 0, 6. This point is 4, 0. And point of intersection of these two lines is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3. The question is determine the coordinates of vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. So there are three vertices. Give them A. So coordinates of A 2, 3. This is B. Coordinates of point B -1, 0. And coordinates of point C 4, 0. And now shade this region also. Sorry. This is shaded region. Next problem. On comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. Also check if the pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. First part. 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, compare these equations with standard form. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. And find value of a1 by a2, b1 by b2. So first a1 by a2. a1 means 5. a2 means 7. So value of a1 upon a2 is 5 upon 7. Now value of b1 upon b2. Minus 4 upon 6 is equal to minus 2 upon 3. And C1 upon C2 is equal to 8 upon minus 9 equal to minus 8 upon 9. Clearly, A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. It means lines intersect at points. Therefore, lines intersect at a point. Means we get unique solution. It means system is consistent. Therefore, system is consistent. Second part. On comparing with standard equations, a1 upon a2 is equal to 9 upon 18 is equal to 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2 is equal to 3 upon 6 which is equal to 1 upon 2. And c1 upon c2 is equal to 12 upon 24 is equal to 1 upon 2. So therefore, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Therefore, lines are coincident. Therefore, infinitely many solutions are there. It means system is consistent. Next problem. On comparing with these equations and find value of a1 upon a2. So a1 upon a2 equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 1 is equal to 3. And c1 upon c2 is equal to 10 upon 9. Since a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, Therefore, lines are parallel. Means there is no solution, means therefore system is inconsistent. Thank you.